Hello friends, in this tutorial we continue from our part 1 where we left off. So we reached a stage where we had created a project. So at this stage we're going to design our splash page or splash activity, and I like my splash activity being the main activity, especially if you're working in Sketchware, but you can always have another activity as your splash. The splash page is the first activity that launches when you start an app, but other apps don't even usually contain a splash. But I like my apps having a splash activity just to show a name or some form of loading. Yeah, so the first thing you want to do here is we are going to remove the toolbar. So go to menu, then untick toolbar, save. So this activity, we have disabled the toolbar. Then now we are going to add a linear vertical. Just make its width match parent. Then you can leave it like this or change the background color. So I'll make the background color of this linear white. Then I want to add text onto this linear, and I want it to be centered. So we set gravity to center. Then to add text, you drag the text view widget, put it there, then edit the text view to show whatever it is that you want to say. Then you can change the size of the text. Then you can change the style here. So you can choose between normal, bold, italic, bold or italic. That's bold and italic, sorry. Yeah, so I want it to be bold. And you can also change the text color. Sketchware makes all these things easier. Let's make it blue. Okay, so we've added a text view there saying CRN demo app. Then I'll also add a progress bar to imitate loading. So I'll make the height of this progress bar 30 dp, the width 30 dp. Then I will remove the padding like that. So I'm done with the splash page for our demo app. Let's run it, we see what we get. Install. I open it. So there we go, we have our splash page, and this is a page that anyone who launches this app will be seeing. So in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to transition from one activity to the other, and we shall create a welcome page.